Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make ramen noodles with bacon, eggs, and cheese. Okay, first of all, you're going to need ramen noodles. You're going to need cheese. And you're going to need an egg. And you're going to need bacon. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the ramen noodles out of the package. And put it into the bowl. And then put the crunchies on top of that. And then I'm going to add water to the bowl. Bring it up to that line right there. And then once it's into the line, the ramen noodles are ready to put in the microwave. But I'm going to take an egg, crack it open, put it inside of a mixing bowl, and then scramble it a little bit. Then I'm going to set this to the side along with the bacon and put the ramen noodles in for about 3.5 minutes. 3 to 3.5 minutes. After 3 minutes, I'm going to take the ramen noodles out of the microwave. I'm going to drain some of the broth, not all of it, or some of the water, not all of it, maybe half of it. And then I'm going to take the seasoning packet. Make sure you get it in the water section. Stir it around a little bit. Make sure the seasoning gets around in there. Then I'm going to take my scrambled eggs, place it along in there. Alright? Once you have that in there, once you put the egg in there, then you're going to take some bacon pieces, put it on top right there, and then take some cheese, put it on top, and then let it cook for about another minute to 1:15 seconds in the microwave. After about 1:30 seconds, pull the ramen noodles out of the microwave. Maybe sprinkle a little bit more bacon on top. And then add some Frank's Red Hot sauce. Just like that. And then that's how you make bacon, egg, and cheese ramen noodles. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.